On behalf of Dari CA Academy, we will be presenting our first video, how to prepare trading and profit and loss account in just 5 minutes. Let us begin. I will be interacting with you during the entire presentation. This is your business story and you have started a business. Any person who starts a business, he will invest some money. So here you have invested rupees 5,000. After investing 5,000, you have purchased rupees 2,000 mangoes and then incurred the following expenses. Transportation charges 400, then you have paid rent, then you have paid salary, then you have incurred office electricity expenses. And then what you did, you sold all the mangoes for 4,000. This is what your total business story. This is summary of your business. 3 important transactions. Number 1, your investment. Number 2, you have incurred the expenses. Purchases 2,000, transportation charges 400, rent 300, salary 100, electricity charges 50, and total expenses 2,850. And the third transaction is that you have sold all the mangoes for 4,000. In accountancy, we will be using T-shape accounts to record almost all transactions. The T-shape account will be having two sides. One is left side, another is right side. Left side, we will be recording all expenses, and right side, we will be recording the incomes. Investment will not be recorded in the trading and profit and loss account. So let us record all the expenses left side. So purchases, transportation charges, salary, rent, electricity, then the income, that is sales 4,000. A layman or a 10th grade student also can tell us what is the profit from this business. So the profit is equal to total income minus total expenses. So here total income is 4,000, total expenses are 2,850, hence the profit is 1,150. So to close this T-shape account, we will be using these two lines at the end of the T-shape account, left side and right side. So the balancing figure is considered as profit. So the profit of the business is 1,150. This is called trading and profit and loss account. I'll just sum up here our discussion. It will be recorded in T-shape account. That it is having two sides. One is left side, another is right side. It is agreed all over the world. Left side will be recording all expenses, right side will be recording all incomes. The difference between these two, either it is a profit or it is a loss. So here income is more and expenses are less, so the difference is left side, and that is the profit. We will be discussing in our next session how to prepare balance sheet in 5 minutes. We will be explaining balance sheet in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this video.